In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a lead consultation call automation in HoneyBook. Booking Flow 2026. First, open your browser and head to honeybook.com. This is where everything starts. Make sure you're on a secure connection and using a supported browser so the interface loads smoothly. Go ahead and log into your HoneyBook account. If you're prompted for any security checks or verification codes, complete those right away to proceed. Keep your login details private and avoid using public devices. If you manage multiple brands or teams, confirm you're in the correct workspace before moving forward. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your command center. It gives you a quick snapshot of projects, upcoming activity, and anything that needs attention. It's helpful to glance at this to ensure your account is set up the way you expect. Look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation bar. This sidebar is where you'll find all major areas of HoneyBook. If it's collapsed, hover or click to expand it so you can see the labels clearly. We'll be focusing on automations. Click on Automations. This section is where you create and manage the workflows that keep your lead process consistent and organized. Give the page a moment to load fully so all template options are visible. Inside the Automations area, click Create Automations. This opens the gallery or builder where you can start a new workflow from a template. If you see multiple categories or filters, you can use them to narrow down options and save time. Next, locate the consultation call template and click it. If there's a search bar, typing consultation call is the fastest way to find it. Open the template to preview what's included. This usually outlines the steps designed to move a lead from initial inquiry to a booked call, with pre-built messages and timing that fit a typical consultation flow. Click Use Automation. You'll be taken to the automation editor, where you can review everything before turning it on. Walk through each item in the sequence and confirm it matches your process. Check the trigger that starts the workflow. Scan email or message templates for tone and accuracy. Verify timing between steps and ensure any scheduling step reflects your availability and time zone. Make adjustments to wording and scheduling buffers so they align with your brand and calendar preferences. When you're confident everything looks right, save or publish the automation, depending on the options you see. That's it. You've set up the lead consultation call automation in HoneyBook, ready to support a smooth, consistent booking flow for 26 and beyond. And